Welcome to Humanity and End Time Events. These are the real footage of disasters happening around the world fulfilling end time Bible prophecy. Watch till the end.
Germany. The storm situation remains tense in the south of Germany, and the water level in the rivers is still rising. 10 districts in Bavaria have declared a state of emergency. In Upper Bavaria, a firefighter died during the flooding. Near Schwabisch Gmünd in Baden-Württemberg, a train derailed due to a landslide. According to the railway company, the first two carriages derailed but did not overturn. More than 180 passengers were unharmed.
Germany. The storm situation remains tense in the south of Germany, and the water level in rivers is still rising. In Bavaria, 10 districts have declared a state of emergency. In Upper Bavaria, a firefighter died during the flooding. Near Schwabisch Gmünd in the state of Baden-Württemberg, a train derailed due to a landslide. According to the railway company, the first two carriages derailed but did not overturn. More than 180 passengers remained unharmed.
Yeah, and that's why people often wonder why we're so certain that everything is heading towards such a massive catastrophe. And how do we know that it will only get worse from here?
Well, we know how the situation will continue to develop because currently we're experiencing what our planet has faced in the past. These changes, caused by cosmic influence, occur once every 12,000 years, and we happen to be living in that very time. This is a cycle.
Modern scientists can reconstruct the Earth's history by studying ancient ice layers known as cores, examining rock formations, fossils, and various soil layers. All this material is like planets chronicled, valuable records of how the Earth's climate has changed over millennia. Thanks to these studies, scientists have realized the changes occurring on our planet today, such as the sudden temperature spikes and melting of glaciers, the increase in volcanic activity, the rise in the number and intensity of earthquakes. The drift of magnetic poles, accompanied by weakening of the magnetic field, have occurred 12,000 years ago. How do we know about these catastrophes of the past? They left behind a layer of destruction known as the Stellar horizon. This layer, composed of soot and wood charcoals and ranging from 5 to 15 centimeters thick, has been found in the territories of 10 countries across 4 continents.
been declared in the area.
और बाइसिकल याटा नीचे के इराज जावना ढाका लायला नीच करायला नीच हां
Job no coming the me water too much road water too much water yes water too much road no job coming today.
Já que temos o para onde ir.
Have collapsed as well, partially. I don't know the extent of the
This is just past the airport. The road going down to Westbrook. Every tree is literally completely blocked the road. It's like a tornado's come through here. It must have been unreal scenes.
This is hitam technically cool. It looks like it's a massive tornado. Well, 40. There's my car in the shelter. This is what's left of our
Go!
There's two!